sa pagpasok nyo sa PNPA, hindi lamang apelyido ng pamilya, hindi lamang karangalan, justice, integrity, service. These are the core values that you would learn in the PNPA, and the same core values that are essential as you lead tomorrow. We have to accept the reality that among our ranks, there are few bad, rotten eggs na dapat nating tanggalin. Ang kabataan, ang pag-asa ng bayan, but in your case, kayo as special na pag-asa ng bayan. 38 years and 2 months ago, April 1, 1983, kagaya nyo rin, nung ako'y pumunta sa academy, sa PMA, ganyan-ganyan din ang aking pakiramdam. Kagaya nung mga nasa likod na doon, na kanina habang nagpo-program, andun pa rin ang civilian antics ng galaw ng galawan.
The new cadets of class 2025, ladies and gentlemen, a shining yet very inspiring morning to all of us. Out of the more than 20,000 cadet applicants throughout the entire country, the Academy was able to select and qualify less than 300 cadets who are considered the best and the brightest among the applicants through the rigorous selection process in accordance to the standard of the Academy.
Kayong mga Officer Corps of the Philippine National Police Academy, I challenge you. Tingnan natin pag-aralan na maigi. Accept the reality that we have a few bad, rotten eggs in our organization. But we should disown them. Harapin ang katotohanan, pero maging bahagi ng reform. Nasa inyo ang pag-asa na ito. Patapos na kami dito. And I'm very proud to say that PNPA has done a lot of things for the past months and years to improve the training of the cadets to prepare them to lead our organization. Last week, we started our recruitment for the 17,000 new recruits for the PNP. Ito yung mga isusupervise nyo. Ito yung mga ililid nyo pagka-graduate nyo dito sa PNP. And we want that what we are going to recruit, the 17,000, must be the best qualified. Walang padrino, walang palakasan, na naginang kagawian natin. Sa inyo nakasalalay ang mga susunod na kabanata ng Philippine National Police. Ang nakikita nyo, mga senior officers harap nyo, magtatapos na sa aming pagserbisyo. At sa inyo mga kamay, ang pag-asa ng ating organisasyon.